Now the topic is estimate mean. Estimate mean is same as that you are finding the mean for the simple data, but only difference is that here they did not give you the simple values of the x like we have done in the previous exercise number 5, where they gave us the mean x values. X values are given and they are the just simple data, and the frequency is given for them. But now in this exercise, if you look at the question number 1, the question number 1 is the table gives the number of the words in each sentence of a page in a book. Copy and complete the table. They gave you the table like this, that the number of words is the first column. Number of words is the first column. Clear? And its range is given 1 to 5, and then 6 to 10. And then after that, 16 to 11 to 15, 11 to 15. And then after that, 16 to 20, then 21 to 25. And then it's written over there totals. Okay, what you have to do, you just have to draw a line over here. It's already in the book. Then there is another line for the frequency. Then there is another line for the midpoints. Then there is a line for f of x. Okay, what you have to do, you have to copy and complete the table. Look at this, how you have to copy and complete the table. And here also, this is your last total. Fine. Okay, let's start. The next column they gave you in the question, the column is frequency. Frequency in front of every group is given. This is 6, this is 5, this is 4, this is 2, and this is 3, and the total frequency, sum of f, is given to you. This is 20. Then they make a column where it is written midpoints. What is a midpoint column? That how you have to find out this value of x, that you have to take the lower class boundary and upper class boundary. You have to plus these two values and divide by 2. Like you have to write it like this: 1 plus 5 on your calculator divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the midpoint is 3 over here. Same for this one, you have to take the midpoints. Whenever your data is given in this form, that the classes are given, the lower and upper boundary is given to you, it means there is a range of the values given to you. So then what you have to do, that you have to just take the midpoint before finding the mean. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 11 plus 15 is how much? 11 plus 15 is how much, beta? 26. 26 divided by 2 is 13. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 6, 36 divided by 2 is 18. And then 20 and 20, 40. 40 plus 5, 45 plus 1, 46. 46 divided by 2 is 23. This is your data for the x. Now the next point is that you have to find out f of x. How to calculate f of x? We have done the questions yesterday for f of x, that in f of x, you have to multiply these two columns. So when you are multiplying these two columns, 6 3s are 18, 8 5s are 40, 13 4s are, who knows the table of 13? 13 2s are 26, and then 26 2s are 52. Then 18 2s are 36, and then here 23 3 times 3 3s are 9, and 3 2s are 6. These are the values for the f of x. Then for the mean, we know the mean formula is equal to summation fx divided by summation f. Summation fx divided by summation f. So we need the sum of two columns. First of all, the f of x, and the second is summation f. Summation f we already calculated. Now what you have to calculate, that you have to calculate the column of f of x, that is 18 plus 40 plus 52 plus 36 plus 69, and our data for summation f of x is equal to 215. Clear, bache? Only you have to substitute in the formula now, that the summation f of x is equal to 215 and divided by 20. 215 divided by 20 when we are doing, so we are getting the answer 10.75, and this is your answer for the estimated mean. Okay. What is the difference between the mean and the estimated mean answer? That when we are having the simple data, that when we are finding the simple mean, that we have x values, the exact values of the x, and then frequency is there. So we are finding the mean. But what happened when the range of the values are given to us? It means that we are not sure about that which value is coming how many times. Like this is the range of 1 to 5. Like the numbers 1 to 5 are coming 6 times, but we are not sure that which number from this range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 5 numbers. So which number is coming how many times, we are not sure about that, because collectively they said that from 1 to 5 words are coming 6 times. 1 to 5 words are coming 6 times. So the collective frequency is given to you. For this whole class, the frequency is this. For this whole class, mean for the range of the numbers, the frequency is given. What we have done in the previous question, here for only for the single number, the frequency is there. So we were sure about that the 3 is coming 5 times. But here we are not sure, because the number of the range is given to you, and for that frequency is given. That's why we say that this is the estimated value. Okay. So what you have to do in this one, that you just have to frequency, and the range is already always given in the question. What you have to do, that you have to make a column of the midpoints, and after the midpoints, you have to multiply those midpoints with the f, and then you will get the column of f of x. When you get the column of f of x, as we know, the mean is equal to summation f of x divided by summation f, and then you only have to need the total of these two things. Total of f of x and total of this total of fx and this total of summation f. Fine. So we will write summation fx divided by summation f. So now just substitute the values and do it.